Hey, I'm Rachel Ngom from she'smakinganimpact.com, and let's talk sales strategies really quick. I see a lot of entrepreneurs making this mistake, and I did it too. So I was there with you. What I see is a lot of us are talking about the details and the process of what people get when they work with us, instead of the transformation and the results that they're gonna get. And so your people, they want the results, they want the transformation, they want to be at that point where they've already gotten the success. The details are just kind of what happens to get them there. And when you're selling something and you're talking all about the details, you kind of lose them, because all they want is the time freedom, the transformation. If you're in the weight loss industry or whatever, they want the results. And so next time you're pitching something, maybe it's on a webinar or an email or whatever, I want you to think about, what does my ideal client want? Not what do you want for them? What is it that they actually want? And speak to those results, speak to that transformation. I promise you, you're gonna get so many more results, so many more testimonials, and it's gonna blow your mind when you just do this little subtle tweak in your business. Did you know we have a challenge coming up? We have a free 5-day blog to make challenge where I'm going to teach you how to monetize your blog in 5 days. So go to joinblogchallenge.com and I'll see you there. Bye.